Hi guys, we're going to the new house. Charles will drop me in the new house but we're going to have breakfast first in the outside, and then after that he will drop me in the new house. And I have this backpack again, and I curled my hair last night. Looks so cool, right? Pagkatuwaan ko lang mag-curl ng hair. My handsome baby! My baby. I really love this camera so hard. It's not that heavy. Yeah, it's overused already so hard. I mean, I love to use it. I always use it. It's worth it. A big lens of this one, right? Huh?
You know, longer telephone.
Yeah. But I think I will not going to use that because it's not easy to carry. It's more heavy, right?
Yes.
And it's more larger.
But you're a much greater telephone.
Really?
Yes, that one's 18 to 55 telephone. I think it's 55 to 200.
Wow.
Which is going to be a much longer telephone.
But if I'm going to change them, I can't put them in my purse anymore, right?
Well, I think probably what I need to do is get another bag, a camera bag for that camera, and get one that would put all the things in it.
I don't want a larger bag. I just want a smaller one.
Well, sometimes it's nice to have that extra lens up.
Yeah.
Most of the time you can put it in the purse, but sometimes you want to make sure you have a longer lens.
Yeah, we should change this one so hard. This, the lens. All you need to do just install just change it, right?
Yes, I'll show you how to do it.
Good morning. Two, please. Thank you.
What you gonna drink today?
Coffee. Regular.
Every time he come up there to work out the yard, he fixed the big, he keeps fixing it.
So windy. It looks like the wind can blow me up. You have to hold your wife. If the wind were going to blow your wife, you didn't have a wife anymore.
It's true.
It's so windy, my goodness. I was so scared.
I couldn't stand to lose my wife.
The wind about to blow me.
I love her way too much.
Why do you love your wife?
Because God anointed me to.
My goodness. Rainy and windy. Hmm?
Just get all the sun.
Yeah.
I could walk out the door and it's like, whoa!
Thank you, baby. We just finished breakfast, guys, and it's so windy and rainy today. And we have an awesome breakfast. So good. Oh, my curly hair is gone. Yeah.
Normally the rain makes my hair frizz, makes it more curly.
No, because the wind blew it. Oh my goodness. My beautiful curly hair. So that I want to curl my hair like this. Looks so nice. I like curly hair. It was really good breakfast. It tastes good today. The cheese is so good. It looks like they noticed that we're there almost, you know, all the time. That's why, like, this is a regular customer. Let me make it more delicious. Yeah, that's why the waiter's like, oh, nice to see you again. They already recognize us.
They recognize you.
No, they recognize you.
You're so cute.
I don't think so.
They don't like ugly people like me coming in, but they like pretty women like you.
No, sweetheart, you're not ugly. You're so handsome. People said, like, why this handsome American has an ugly Filipina? My goodness.
No one has said that. Don't even think about lying like that.
No, I'm serious. Someone told me about that. I'm going to look for that comments, and I will show that to you.
They were just trying to be mean to you. They weren't being nice to me. They were being mean to you.
They said, like, oh, that American is a handsome, and why she has like ugly Filipina? My goodness. Maybe they are so jealous of my beautiful face. Just kidding.
That's exactly what they do. You hit the nail right on the head. A lot of times people say things because they're jealous.
Yeah, they're so jealous.
Men are jealous about money. Men are jealous about beauty.
Yeah, most women will tell other women, like, she's so ugly.
That's exactly right.
A lot of Filipino women are so jealous. I don't know why. And they will tell you, like, I don't know. I just don't want to say something. Bye. Take care. Take care. Bye-bye. I'm here now. I'm here na, guys. Uwi na siya. I won't.
You have all day to think about it. Don't even think naughty things.
Of course not. Love you so hard. Take care. Bye-bye. Uwi na siya, guys. He just dropped me off right here. And, oh my goodness, I forgot. I need to close the garage. I'm now here in the new house. We just finished breakfast. And Charles just dropped me off right here. And he went home right away. So just lock this one. Nandito na guys yung magde-deliver ng wood. So dito na sila. Guys, nag-deliver ng hardwood floor. Mukha ba akong construction worker na talaga? So, nung pagpasok niya, sabi niya sa akin, where should I going to put the hardwood in? And I told him, you can put it right here on the breakfast area dito. And then he told me, it's like, are you the homeowner? Because the homeowner told me that I'm going to put in the room somewhere and I'm going to put the blanket. And I said, yeah, I'm a homeowner, I'm the wife. Then I was like, okay, I'll wait. And then it's like, he called my husband, he called Charles. It's like, he confirmed that if he can put it right here. Yeah, so our hardwood floor is already been delivered. And this is for the second floor. And yeah, we're almost finished, guys. We're almost done with this house. So very, very soon it will be finished finally. So ayan na siya yung hardware floor namin. So I'm here na guys in the second floor. So I think I'm going to hold their... So hi guys, I'm now in the new house, and what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to pull the staples, and I have this hammer and I have this one, I don't know what you call this. This is what I use to remove the staples, especially the one that is hard to remove, and I also have this one to pull the staples. So actually guys, this is what I really love to do. I love to do like construction work. I love to design the house. I love gardening. In the Philippines, I used to just like my job was just sitting in the whole day, the whole shift I have. Since I've been working in internet shop before, I was just also sitting like the whole day, 8 hours a day, and just in front of the computer. And then when I was in a call center, I'm also just sitting all day in front of the computer, and I feel it's kind of boring. I love something work like adventurous, gardening, doing housework, like, you know, doing some construction. I really enjoy that. It's like I have an exercise, and I feel more energetic on that kind of job. So I really enjoy doing this, guys. And Charles is like, he's so like, wow, when he came here before yesterday to pick me up, it's like, it's all done. It's like I already bring the carpet downstairs in the garage. It's all ready to load in the truck. So I was like, wow, you are so... And she used to call me like Wonder Woman. He even sent me like a picture of a Wonder Woman, and he said it's like my Wonder Woman wife. And so, you know, I was like, he was so really, really grateful what I helped on him, because he's supposed to do this work, and I said I can do that, and you know, I love to do it. And it's like, he was so really happy and grateful. And but the problem today, when yesterday I kept on like loading carpet downstairs in the garage, when I woke up, my goodness, my whole body is sore. My God, it's like, it looks like I was in the gym. But you know, it's really good exercise. It makes me more energetic. And let's start it, guys. I'm going to finish this today. I hope I can finish this two rooms in the upstairs, so that, you know, it will be ready for the hardwood to be installed. And I have this. Let's start it. So energetic day again. A very adventurous day. So